Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on Sibongile and Dlaminis on Monday, a dark cloud hangs over Sibongile and Kwenzo as their plans start falling apart after falling in love with a photograph. When Zeni puts a plan in motion to get into the same room as the young man she crushes on. On Tuesdays, Bongile feels like a failure when Kwenzo makes a life-altering suggestion. Namfundo prepares a delightful surprise for Njengaya and props him deliver on his promise when Zeni has dressed up for a special someone's attention. On Wednesday, Nomalanga has a triggering flashback to a younger Gwenzo and herself reflecting on hurt over his relationship with Sibongile. Nomfundo worries when she sees Njengaye and Peteni's dark sides. Thank you guys for watching.